going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your toilet seat on your toilet. And just in case it comes loose like this, sometimes the whole piece can break or either your top piece can break. But what you would need to do is come right here. Sometimes it's completely covered, but you just pop that open. And you'll see normally like a little white plastic screw that's up underneath here, which is on both sides. And what you need to do, basically just take you a Phillips head or a flathead screwdriver and hold the top piece. If you look underneath here, you'll see there's like a white nut that's actually on, like it's actually a screw with a white nut on it underneath there. So what you want to do is basically just take off, like I said, you can either screw it from the top with the screwdriver, or you can just screw it like I'm doing, actually screw the nut off of it at the bottom, the screw. And once you get it off, it'll come off like that, and you'll be able to pick up. This part's already broke, but that'll come up. Now you just go to your other side and do the exact same thing. Take your screwdriver, hold it inside of the screw that's on top, and then screw. Oh, it's almost off. Yeah, and screw off that bottom, and the whole seat will come off. This one's broke, so it's not connected. Then once you get your new seat, which is like this, you might want to also clean underneath here when you, let me clean this while you got it up. You can clean up underneath there. But yeah, once you get your new one, you'll see the same setup. You'll see like the openings right here. These is where you would put your screws in, and then your bolts at the bottom. You can either use the new screws or the old screws that you took off the other one. You just basically want to line it up, take your new screw, stick it down there like that, take your screwdriver once again and hold it, and then basically take the nut, as you can see at the bottom, and you just want to screw it all the way up, and then hold it and tighten it, basically tight as you can, but not too much to where you strip it. And once you do that, you want to put the other screw in on the other side over here, and then close it down, and you have your new toilet seat on. Alright, once again, this is how you would put on a new toilet seat if your old toilet seat breaks. Also, don't forget to go check out our other great videos that we have on our Flashback 502 YouTube site. Thanks.